Hey, hey, hey. I'm back with another pickup. Little gift from my husband. Um, I didn't come across these until today, like early this morning. Every time I fast, I'm always up real early. Um, one of the ladies that I follow, her video popped up of boots, uh, specifically Louis Vuitton, and I just watched it. And she pulled out some pretty cute boots. Now, I've seen the desert boots before in Neiman Marcus and stuff like that. But, and I said, oh, those are cute. But that was about it. And plus, I was probably on my sneaker tip real heavy as well. But I've been looking for some nice boots for a couple of years and never could find any that I was like, oh my gosh, I need to have those until today. And so my husband said, go ahead, go get your boots. And so I did. So I went to the Louis Vuitton store. Here it was two boots I was looking at. When I got there, I called to see if they had them in stock. They said they did. I got up there. It was a little bit of a line, but it went quick. Go figure. She bought out both boots. And she bought out two different sizes because this is my first ever purchase for myself. And especially for a pair of shoes. So I didn't know what size I wore in Louis Vuitton boots or shoes. And so they bought out a 40 and a 41 in one pair that I thought I was going to get. And then they only had a 41 in the pair that I actually got. And I tried them on. Very good experience. My essay was very sweet. She gave me her card and everything with my receipt so that if I want to come back in, especially with the holidays coming up, I could come back in. I could just call her or text her to make an appointment and I don't have to wait in line and all of that. So I guess that's one of the benefits of purchasing from Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to take these out the bag and I'll be right back. So this is the box. They do a good job with wrapping it. One thing I say, when you go into the store and you're trying on shoes, the box that they bring the shoes out is not the box that you get to take home, because that box was beat up. And I was going to say, do y'all got a better box? Because that box looked like it went to hell and came back. But this bag right here is huge that it comes in with, shoes. So they do a good job. They should, though, for the cost. But yeah, the box that they bring the shoes out in is not the box that you is not the box that you get when you actually purchase the shoe. So it just opens up. I thought it would slide out. So it just opened up. This is my receipt and everything with her with the advisor's card in here. So I'm gonna put this in. You got two bags in here. And then I guess these are extra laces, because they come with extra laces. So these are the bags that you get. Each shoe has its own dust bag. I thought they give you leather laces. They just give you an extra set of I know some of the boots come with leather laces. I guess these didn't, but they do give you extra laces. That's fine. Nice, very nice dust bag. These dust bags that you store your shoes in when you get them. So these are the boots that I got. When I tried them on, I was like, both pair I really liked. If I had the expendable cash, but my husband said go in there and just get what you want, I probably would have walked out with both of them shoes, both of those boots. But He wasn't trying to spend $3,000 on shoes, and these were $1,600. But it's a boot that's timeless. I have for years. You know, don't ever go out of style. For me, anyways. So these are the boots. Let me go get my other phone and see what these are called. Okay. So these are called the Metropolis Flat Ranger. That's what these are called. And this is a size 41. The other boot that I had tried on was, what was it? It was the LV Boberg ankle boot. I'll show y'all what they look like. They were so nice. Like, I could see those as like a dress casual, dress up boot. I would love to go back and get those because they were really nice. But these were more practical for right now. You know what I'm saying? These I can dress up or down. I could wear them with pretty much anything. And I think these, I don't know. I just think these, the other ones were more dressy, more of a dress casual. You know, if you're going out on a date or you're going out with your girls, you know, y'all going to dinner, you want to have a nice dress casual outfit on, you know, you would put on these. So these were the other ones. These were the ones that I actually was number one on my list to get until I tried on, and that's what they look like from the back, until I tried on the combat boots. But these were really nice. Like I said, I would have walked out with both pair if I could. And the 40 fit me better. The 41 was too big. They were slipping off my foot. And she was saying, you know how to tell if a shoe is too big? Is it starts to crease right away. But I wanted to show y'all the name of these. Oh, this is the name of this boot that I didn't walk out with, but they were really nice. And I hope they're around if I, you know, when I want to purchase again. And this is the name of the boot that I bought. So these were these more expensive? I think the ankle boot was more expensive. I don't know, this boot, the boot that I got was more expensive. The ankle boot was $14.10 and this boot was $15.40, so it was a little over $1,600 with tax for this boot. So I'm going to basically pick up my camera so I can show it face on. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all that bag. Y'all see how big that bag is? That thing is huge. So this is the boot. This is leather, nice leather. Very minimum and subtle branding, and that's what's something that I wanted. I don't like my stuff with a whole bunch of branding all over it. You know, I like subtle branding. So it has Louis Vuitton right here, and then you got the tongue with the Louis print, bag print, whatever you call it. And also I like the way they're laced as well, so you don't have to lace them all the way to the top. They're easy to get on. This is the bottom. Very well made shoe. 41, you see the size right there. You come to the back, and then you got the branding on the back right here. So yeah, that's pretty much, you know, the shoe. I'm going to keep them laced up like this. I'll do a little on foot for y'all. So I'll give you a little scan. Up and down the shoe. Very nice shoe, very well made. In the inside, you see it says Louis Vuitton, Paris. And with those other boots, she did say that the leather will stretch. So, certain shoes you don't want to go too big. Like I said, that 41 and that other boot was flopping off my foot. It was big. So yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna give y'all an on foot right quick to show y'all what they look like on me. But I was like, when I put them on, I was like, these are me for right now. So I will be back. This is tattoo.